Hey guys, welcome to Poly Vegan Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you a comfort food that many of us Polynesians look forward to. Keke Isite, also known as island donuts. In my opinion, this is a Polynesian favorite and a recipe that everyone should have handy when they have a full house and are looking to entertain on a budget. The recipe is simple. All you'll need is flour, sugar, baking powder, yeast, and water. Sift your flour. Add sugar and baking powder. To activate your yeast, add a teaspoon of sugar and warm water and mix it. Allow the yeast to sit for a minute or two until it foams up. In the meantime, mix your dry ingredients together and then add your water and your yeast mixture to it. Gently mix and fold your batter until you get a thick consistency. You want it thicker than pancake mix, but not as thick as bread dough. After you mix it, go ahead and cover the bowl for 30 minutes and place your oil on medium heat. You don't want your oil too hot because the keke will cook right away on the outside, leaving the middle uncooked. Now, this is the part that most are intimidated by. How to form the keke with your hand like our mothers did. If your mixture is the right consistency, you will know when you pick it up. Take the mixture in your hand, shape it, then drop it into the hot oil. This mixture makes a little over a dozen, so please feel free to double the recipe if you'd like more. As this is cooking, I want to share with you a quick devotional thought about hospitality. This is what I think of when I make Keke Isite for my family, my friends, visitors, or sometimes even strangers. The Bible places a high value on hospitality and eating, and sometimes banqueting is the focal point of that hospitality. In Genesis chapter 18, verse 1 through 8, it says, Abraham is the first person shown opening the door of his home in hospitality to others. In this case, the Lord himself. So just keep that in mind as you entertain people, whether it be your immediate family members, visitors, or like in Abraham's case, strangers, which were really angels in disguise. Well, it looks like the keke is done, and here to give it a try is my daughter.
Hi, my name is Bev. Today I'm gonna eat my mom's keke. This mommy is the best cooker.
Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. We upload a new recipe every Monday. And always remember, no matter where you are on your journey, there's always room for you on our table right here at Poly Vegan Kitchen.